saying a good day to you. And today we're doing something a bit different. We're doing taste test. OMG! Yeah, so yeah, we're doing taste test, and I've got some American goodies to try for you lovely viewers. Yeah, and I'll show you a few right now. First, I'm going to try one of these Reese's sticks. I've heard they're quite nice-ish. I'll be the judge of that. Just trying to open it. They smell nice. There you go. That's a Reese's stick. Really nice there. And next is going to be Twinkies. A golden sponge cake with a creamy filling. Ooh. Let's try one of these. Oh, come on, get off the cardboard. There we go. That's what they look like. Next thing would be Fudge Brownie Cookie Dough Bites. They look nice. Let's try to find a way to open them. Ooh. Out little balls. They're like poppets, I think. Well, that's what they look like. Yeah, I like poppets. If you don't know what a poppet is, it's basically the equivalent to one of them, but English version. And now we're going to try Butterfinger bites, see what they're like. There we go. Too much packaging. Ooh. That's what they look like. Not bad. And now we're going to try some sweet tarts. I'm guessing these are going to be a bit like sweethearts, what we get in the UK. Let's grab a green one. That's what they look like. Oh, that's awesome. That's got the logo on it. Don't know if you can see that. Yep, they're exactly alike. Yep, they're like sweethearts. And now we're going to try a Hershey, I think. I think that's how you pronounce it. Let's try one piece of that. That's what they look like. Not bad. Definitely not bad. Now for some peanut butter cookie doughs. I've tried these before and they're actually quite nice. But, you know, I'll try them on a video. That's what they look like. So nice. Okay, and now I've got a little cup full of like different American candy called Best of American, I think it is. Yeah, Best of American, and basically these are just a few what's in the cup. Wonka's Gobstoppers. The Tootsie Roll. Something called Nerds. And Laffy Taffy. Oh, it says Laffy, not Laffy. My little joke there. They're very, very sticky. Alright, I've got that. I've got it out. That's the Laffy Taffy. Let's try it. They're actually quite nice. So now we'll try Gobstopper. Wonka's Gobstopper. That's what they look like. American's Gobstoppers. They're nice. Alright, and now to try Tootsie Roll. It looks like it's chocolate. Yeah, chocolate with a fruity centre, I think, or something like that. I think. Can you see that? There we go. Hmm. 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 Very chewy. Bit bland. Loads of chocolatey. So I don't know how it's bland, but it's really chocolatey, but I'd expecting a bit more of a better flavour. Alright, well now it's for my last, it's the last thing now. And now it's for some nerds called. Okay, I'll show you from that way. There you go, some nerds. Yum. Alright, let's see what they taste like. So are we guys? 3, 2, 1. Mm-hmm. No, I don't like something called Millions, I think they're called. They're like little chunky pieces of candy. They're actually quite nice. Alright, and that's my taste test. So yeah. Thank you, and if you want to watch more videos like this, or some gameplay, just subscribe, and that's it really. And if you've got any suggestions of what you would like me to taste, put it into the comments below and I'll see what I can do. Alright, see you YouTube, bye!